Hello students, last time we will discussed on coordination compound. Now will we today discuss on haloalkane and haloarine organic chemistry chapter 10. First name of according to name of chapter, haloalkane known as alkyl halide, second haloarine known as aryl halide. Halo is created by halogen group. We know halogen group in periodic table 17 group like as fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. What is the haloalkane? When alkane we know hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then form species is known as haloalkane. The replacement of hydrogen atom in a aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms, then formation of alkyl and aryl halide. When aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced hydrogen by halogen, then formation of alkyl halide, and aromatic hydrocarbon replaced the hydrogen by halogen, then form species is known as aryl halide. In haloalkane contains halogen atom attached to the sp3 hybridized. In haloalkane hydrogen is replaced carbon and addition of halogen is sp3 hybridized, and haloarine contains halogen atoms attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. General formula of alkyl halide is CnH2n plus 2 is alkane, and one hydrogen is replaced by X, then form species is known as haloalkane. Then general formula CnH2n plus 1 into X, where X we know X is represented halo group, and halo group like as fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo, and N equal to number of carbon and hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Alkyl halide also represented by Rx, where R is alkyl group and X is halogen group. Next point, nomenclature of alkyl halide and aryl halide. In nomenclature system, two systems are used. First system is common name system and second is IUPAC name system. In common name known as alkyl halide, in IUPAC name known as haloalkane, haloarine. In common name, first alkyl suffix halide, but in IUPAC first halo prefix and after suffix alkane. Following this structure are given and name common named and IUPAC name. First, like as example, CH3Cl. CH3Cl, in Cl is a halogen group and CH3 is alkyl group. They in common name alkyl. Alkyl is one carbon known as methyl and Cl is chloride. IUPAC name, first halo. Halo is chloro and after alkane methane. Then IUPAC name is chloromethane. Second example, ethyl. How many carbons? 2. Then known as eth. Alkyl in ethyl. After halogen bromide. Ethyl bromide. But in haloalkane, first bromo. After ethane. Third is name is N-propyl iodide. N-propyl iodide. Third is N-propyl iodide. N-propyl, when hydrocarbon in number of carbon 3 and more than 3 carbon are present in straight chain, then used always prefixed and in common name, then known as N-propyl. Propyl because number of carbon is 3, and propyl iodide, and IUPAC name is iodopropan. Next example, this 1, 2, 3. When 3 carbon and second last carbon is present free valency, then used prefix iso. Like this structure. Minimum carbon is 3 and second last carbon, this carbon, present free valency, then in common name used prefix iso, then known as iso. How many carbon? 3. Then propyl. After halide is iodide, then known as isopropyl iodide. In IUPAC nomenclature, according to when substitute are present and minimum carbon are 3, then used numbering, nomenclature in numbering process. Minimized number when halogen group are preference 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Then both side same position halogen are present. Then 1, 2 iodo, prefix of halo, iodo, and how many carbons? 3. Then known as propane. Next example, this numbering 1, 2, 3. Second last carbon free valency present, then prefix used iso. How many total carbon in this structure? 4. Then butyl, isobutyl. After halide, chloride, then name of this compound in common system isobutyl chloride. And IUPAC name priority 1, 2, 3. 1 substitute present chloro, 1 chloro. 2 substitute methyl, 2 methyl. Total carbon in a longest chain 3. Then propane. Next example, this structure is given, then common name of this compound is this and IUPAC this. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Substitute is present on second carbon, 2° carbon. What is that 2° carbon? When halogen is attached this carbon and this carbon also attached to other carbon, then known as 2°. When 3 carbon attached, then known as 3°, and only 1 carbon attached, then 1°. This is 1°. Because only 1 carbon are attached on this. This is 2°. Secondary, because halogen is attached carbon is also 2°, because this carbon is also 2 carbons, other 2 carbons bonded to attached. Then known as secondary. How many carbons? 4. Then butyl, and substitute halogen is chloride, then known as secondary butyl chloride, also known as 2°. 2° means when halogen is attached carbon is also 2°. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. Halogen is present on second carbon, then known as 2 halochlorobutane. Next, this halogen is attached 3° carbon. This carbon attached other 3 carbon, then known as 3°. Tertiary. Then tertiary. How many carbon total? 4. Butyl. Halogen is chloride, also known as 3°. IUPAC name numbering longest chain, selection of longest chain, then 1, 2, 3. 2 substitute. 2 first substitute is chloro, after second substitute is methyl. Total carbon in longest chain 3, then prop and alkane, propane. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both same side halogen are present. But this halogen is secondary because halogen is attached on this carbon and this carbon other bonded to two carbon, then known as 2 degree or secondary. Then secondary total carbon in this chain 5 known as pentyl and substitute of halogen like as chloride. IPC name 1 2 3 3 chloro, total carbon 5 pent, category is alkane known as pentane. Next structure this 1 2 3 total 3 carbon are present in longest chain hydrocarbon, but second last carbon present two free valencies, then used prefix neo. 1 2 second last carbon 2 number carbon and two free valencies are present 1 and 2, then also used prefix neo. Then neo total carbon in this hydrocarbon chain 5 known as pentyl and halogen is a chloride. According to IPC name nomenclature, numbering 1 2 3 longest carbon 3 carbon, then 1 substitute chloro 1 chloro, 2 substitute, then same substitute prefix used di 2 same substitute 2 number, then di after substitute name methyl and total carbon in hydrocarbon chain longest chain 3, then propane. Next example we will discuss tertiary. This structure is given, common name this and IPC name this. 1 2 3 4 total longest carbon chain, IPC name 4, then butane. 1 2 3 4 2 iodo 2 methyl butane. This is IPC name and this is common name tertiary pentyl because halogen is attached carbon is also tertiary because 3 carbons are attached on this carbon, then known as tertiary. Total carbon in this 5, then pentyl and halogen substitute halogen is a iodide. Last structure this numbering IPC name 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, but priority halogen, then 2 bromo 3 methyl butane. This is 2 bromo 3 methyl butane, but common name iso because total and second last 1 2 3 second last carbon prevalency present, then used iso. Secondary because second carbon bromine is present, then secondary because this carbon is also attached to, and this name is important, active, when is mirror image are not superimposed to the each other, then known as active. Pentyl total number of carbon is 5 known as pentyl and substitute is halide like as bromide, then this is common name. Next table IPC nomenclature. Next this structure is no common name vinyl chloride. Vinyl group we know CH2 double bond CH2 known as vinyl group, and this hydrogen is replaced by HCl like as vinyl chloride and IPC name 1 2 chloroethene. Next this structure common name is allyl chloride. What is the allyl? When minimum 3 carbons are present in hydrocarbon chain and 1 double bond, then known as allyl group. 3 carbon and 1 double bond and bonded carbon halogen is known as allyl and halogen is known as chloride, then name of this compound is allyl chloride. IPC name 3-chloro-prop-1-ene. Next, crotonyl bromide. This structure is name is crotonyl bromide. When minimum carbon 4 and 1 double bond on second carbon, then group name is known as croton, then crotonyl bromide. 4 carbon 1 double bond second carbon, halide is bromide, then known as crotonyl bromide. IPC name 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bromo but double bond on second position, then but 2-ene. Next structure, this we know C triple bond C is known as acetylene group, then known as chloroacetylene, and IPC name we know easily chloroethane. When 3 carbon and 1 triple bond, then known as propargyl, and halide is known as bromide, then this name is propargyl bromide, and IPC 3-bromo-prop-1-ene. Next structure, this when benzene group is present with free valency known as phenyl group, and this addition is group known as phenyl Cl, then phenyl chloride, and also known as chlorobenzene. Benzyl, this structure is name is benzyl chloride. What is the benzyl? This structure, benzene is attached CH3 group known as toluene, and one hydrogen is replaced and form free valency known as benzyl, and group is attached known as Cl, then benzyl chloride, and IPC name main hydrocarbon chain 1 carbon, then substitute phenyl and chloro, then chlorophenylmethane. This is IPC name. This IPC and common name of haloalkane and haloarine will be completed. Next point, classification. Classification is based on following points. First point, based on number of halogen group. Number of halogen group, when in hydrocarbon chain 1 halogen present, then known as mono. 2 halogen present, then known as di. 3 halogen present, known as tri. Then next classification based on number of halogen atom. When 1 halogen, then mono, 2 halogen, then di, 3 halogen known as tri, and 4 halogen are present in hydrocarbon chain, then known as tetra. First, this is alkane group. 1 hydrogen is replaced by 1 halogen, then known as form species is monohalogen derivatives. Mono means 1 halogen atom are present in a hydrocarbon chain. Second, 2 halogen atoms are present when 2 hydrogen is released in a hydrocarbon chain, then form 2 types halogen are formed. When 2 halogen, same halogen are present one same carbon, then form dihalide is known as gem halide or dihalide. When 2 halogen is replaced to nearest hydrogen to nearest carbon, 1 hydrogen this carbon and 1 hydrogen this carbon, then nearest carbon to same halogen are present, then known as vicinal halide, also known as 2 halogen form, then known as dihalide. When minimum 3 carbons are present and 1 carbon and last carbon hydrogen is replaced by 2 same halogen, then form species is known as alpha omega dihalide. Alpha first and last carbon halogen is known as alpha omega dihalide. When three halogen is replaced three hydrogen, then form alkyl halide known as a haloform, also known as trihalogen derivatives. What is meant by trihalogen derivatives? Three halogen is replaced with three hydrogen, then form trihalogen derivatives. When four hydrogen is replaced by four halogen, then form halogen known as tetrahalogen derivatives. This classification based on number of halogen atom. Next, monohalogen derivatives are three types. What is a monohalogen? When in hydrocarbon chain one halogen atoms are present, then known as monohalogen, and its derivatives are classified in three types, known as primary, secondary, and tertiary. When halogen is bonded with carbon is also bonded single carbon, then known as primary or 1 degree. When halogen is attached to carbon, again this carbon is attached to carbon, then known as secondary. This carbon is attached to halogen, and this carbon also attached to carbon, then known as 2 degree or secondary. When halogen is attached to carbon, again this carbon attached to three carbon, 1, 2, 3, then known as 3 degree or tertiary alkyl halide. Number 2, second classification. First classification based on number of halogen atoms. Second, based upon the nature of CX bond. CX bond means halogen bond which carbon bonded. Best classification based on hybridization. First, CX bond sp3 hybridized compound. When halogen is bonded carbon which carbon is sp3 hybridized. This is based. Alkyl halide are also classified in three parts. In these halo compounds, the halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is also classified in three types. First, monohaloalkane oblique alkyl halide. Second, allylic halide, and third, benzylic halide. First, monohaloalkane. When halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is three types. Also, again classified in three types. First, 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. When halogen is attached, this carbon is a sp3 hybridized carbon. And 1 degree because this one carbon, because 2 degree this two carbon, because 3 degree this carbon is attached 3 degree. Allylic halide. What is the allyl group? We discussed above. When three carbon are present and one double bond known as allyl. When halogen atom attached sp3 hybridized carbon, these carbon atom again attached double bonded carbon atom. In this halide, minimum number of carbon 3 atoms. This halide is a allylic halide because in minimum number of carbon 3 and one double bond known as allylic halide. This carbon is known as allylic halide. Halogen attached carbon, again double bonded carbon attached, known as allylic halide. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. Next, benzylic halide. When halogen atom is attached sp3 hybridized carbon and this carbon is again attached another benzene ring known as benzylic halide. This halide is known as benzylic halide because halogen attached sp3 hybridized carbon and this carbon attached benzene ring known as benzylic halide. This first part, nature of CX bond. First is CH sp3 hybridized. Second part, CH bond is sp2 hybridized carbon compound. These are also two types. First is vinylic halide and second is arylic halide. First, vinylic halide. What is a vinyl group? We discussed above. When carbon double bond carbon is known as vinyl group. The halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon known as vinylic halide. X atom direct attached. Other definition: halogen atom direct attached double bonded carbon atom known as vinylic halide. This halogen is known as vinylic. This is also vinylic. Double bonded carbon halogen attached known as vinylic halide. Second, arylic halide. The halogen atom is directly attached to benzene ring known as arylic halide. Means halogen attached direct benzene ring. Halogen attached direct benzene ring known as arylic halide. And this carbon is also sp2 hybridized, and this carbon also sp2 hybridized carbon. The classification of alkyl halide is completed. Next, we have discussed on preparation method and physical and chemical properties of alkyl halide.